Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to prepare for MDS PG entrance exams. More of how to prepare yourself for PG entrance exams. So I am Dr. Pavitra, pediatric dentist, PGI Chandigarh, currently working as senior research fellow, National Research Institute, PGI Chandigarh. So for the next half an hour, I am going to talk about what are all the exams available, the colleges, the opportunities, what and how to prepare, and tips and tricks to crack any entrance exams. So as you all know, there are two major platforms for pursuing MDS. The one is INICET, INICET, and the second is NEET MDS. So this INICET is a new pattern of exams which stands for National Institute of National Importance Combined Entrance Test. So there are three central institutes associated with this INICET for MDS. So altogether you will have approximately 25 MDS seats. So the exam pattern will be 200 questions conducted for 3 hours. The exam will be a computer based test, usually in May as well as in November. The results and counselling will be in May or June. If you are writing the November session, the counselling will be in December and the admission will be either in July or in Jan. So this is the basic information about INICET. Now let's see what are the three main central institutes which come under this INICET. So now let's see what are all those three main central institutes that come under INICET. The first and foremost is the AIIMS. The parent institute being New Delhi. Now there are various branches of AIIMS that have been established across the country. So if you target AIIMS, you will have approximately 10 to 15 PG seats. AIIMS New Delhi covers 5 specializations: ortho, pedo, oral surgery, endo and prosto. The course duration is of about 3 years, that is 3 years of academic JRship and 6 months of non-academic JRship. This non-academic JRship is nothing but which is similar to your CRRA period. So trust me, the fee structure for this institution is approximately just 1500 rupees for the whole 3 years, and in turn you are going to get a stipend of about 95,000 per month. So the next central institute is PGI Chandigarh. So here you will have seats of approximately 8 to 10 in numbers, and PGI Chandigarh has 3 specializations: ortho, pedo and oral surgery. Again 3 years of academic JRship, and here you can do your non-academic JRship for about 1 year, and the fees is approximately 2,500 for covering 3 years, and the stipend is 85,000 per month. Similarly, the next institute is JIPMER, where you have only 2 to 3 MDS seats and they have only 2 specializations: ortho and oral surgery. Again 3 years of academic JRship and 1 year of non-academic JRship. The fee structure is 1,500 for about 3 years, and stipend in return is 85,000 per month. One point to note here is the non-academic JRship for JIPMER and PGI Chandigarh, you have to write separate exam. This will not come under INICET. So you have to keep watching for the notification. So these are the basic information about the central institutes that come under INICET. Next, most important platform, which is the NEET MDS, National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, which is conducted by National Board of Examination. This is the most targeted platform by the students because you have approximately 250 seats covering almost 75 government colleges across the country. So the exam pattern is 240 questions conducted for 3 hours, whereas in INICET you had 200 questions, but here you have 240 questions conducted in 3 hours. So similarly, computer based test usually conducted in the second week of December. So the results will be declared in the first week of January, counseling by March, and admission will be in May or June. So if you want to know the details about the colleges which come under NEET, just log in to www.mcc.nic.in, and there you get all the needed information about any college. So make sure you read the bond status as well before selecting any college. This is very important because certain colleges have bond of about 1 or 2 years, but before opting for any colleges under NEET, make sure you read this bond status as well. To name a few top colleges which come under NEET are Maulana Azad Institute of Dental Sciences, New Delhi; Faculty of Dental Sciences, KGMU, Lucknow; Postgraduate Institute of Dental Sciences, that is PGI, Rohtak; Nayar Dental College, Mumbai; Faculty of Dental Sciences, that is BHU, Varanasi; GDC, Kottayam, and much more. So now there comes a situation. What if you have got a good rank in NEET but you missed your MDS seat? So don't worry, you guys can serve the nation. So there is a beautiful opportunity for those who have missed their MDS seat in just a margin of marks. They can join an Indian Army as dental corps as short service commissioned officer. So what are all the requirements to join the Indian Army? So the requirements are, you should have acquired 55% of marks in BDS, or you must be an MDS graduate. So you have to compulsorily appear for NEET exam. So NEET exam is a mandatory requirement for joining an Indian Army. So the candidates up to 1,500 ranks will be called up for the interview. So notification will be declared in the month of June every year. You will have an interview and a medical test, which will be conducted in August or September. 5 years of service, which can be extendable up to 14 years, and the salary is about more than a lakh per month. So these are all the opportunities for any BDS graduate. Either they can pursue MDS in government college, or they can go for enter into Indian Army. So now coming to the important topic, what to prepare. So if any person asks me, ma'am, what to prepare for MDS entrance exam, I'll just modify their question basically. This is the first step I do. I'll just modify, like, it is not what to prepare, it is basically how to prepare. Because let it be any exams, be it entrance exams or whatever the competitive exams, it is more important that you prepare your mind before you prepare for your exam, because mindset is everything. This is very important. Again I repeat, prepare your mind before you prepare for your exam, because mindset is everything. So these are the qualities one should acquire during their preparation process. Pray daily, decide what you want, and be stubborn. Be ready to face failures, do not give up, do the right thing even when nobody is watching. That is called integrity. That is more important when you are sincerely committed towards something. So share your knowledge, be an inspiration. So if you are preparing for any entrance exam, it is like you are preparing yourself to face any hidden challenge. So these are the qualities that everyone should possess. Now coming to the preparation process. So what to read, dentist or dental pulse. There are various other sources available, but make sure you are restricting your sources. If you refer multiple sources, it is of no use. So remember, you are restricting your sources and references. Prepare only books like dentist or dental pulse minimum 3 times. Previous year question papers, be clear with the concepts, and clinical image based question. These are the recent trend. So make sure you are preparing yourself to attempt any clinical or image based question as well. So keep up your everyday schedule. So make sure at the end of the day you are done with your everyday schedule. That is more important. So read up to 8 to 12 hours per day for 6 to 8 months. And the most important thing is, revision is the key. Remember my words, with revision you will not fail, and without revision you will not succeed. So revision is the key, because the taste of success is very addictive. Remember this statement, the taste of success is very addictive. So now I am moving on to my favorite slide. So I am the diehard fan of Sachin Tendulkar. So I want to mention, we all know Sachin Tendulkar is referred to as the god of cricket. But remember, even the god himself attempted 6 times to grab this World Cup. So even the god himself attempted for 6 times. Just imagine our patience. How much patience should we have to attain our success? So now I am sure you guys are feeling motivated. So we are here to boost up your motivation with our best online streaming app, Ardent MDS. So this app is available in Google Play as well as App Store. The link to download the app is given in the description below. So these are all the features that are available in our app, like 3 minutes challenge, clinical vignettes to train yourself to attempt any image based questions, 10 minutes concept, and trending videos. Now I would like to end this lecture with my favorite quote: do not compromise for anything less when you have the ability to deserve the best. So if you think you have the ability to deserve the best, you go for it. Make a plan, make a target, focus your target, and do not give up until you achieve it. Thank you.